Hi, Cowboy. Something new is here on Broadway. What is going on?
Hi, Kim. Well, first, let me say that Morris Kite says hello.
Morris Kite says hello.
I'm across the street from Grand Central Market in front of the Broadway building, and some new signage went up on Broadway, on this nice Broadway Rose lamppost.
When did it go up?
Like 5:30 this morning, and this is part of the council office's campaign for signage about LGBTQ plus history in downtown. And Saturday, just around the corner, this is 3rd and Broadway, just half a block east at 3rd and Spring, is a LGBTQ plus festival.
DTLA Proud?
DTLA Proud. So good timing to get these up, and there should be more going up on Main between 4th and 6th, which historically was the Run.
Tell me just very briefly, what is the Run? Where Morris Kite would say hello to you?
The Run was where all the gay bars were.
Yeah.
So Pershing Square, down 5th, from 5th and Oliver, Pershing Square, to 5th and Main, and up on Main to 4th, and down to 6th.
It's complicated. It's a run. You actually get your workout. You get your steps in from bar to bar.
Historically, that is historically where gay men were able to be themselves.
It's a beautiful thing.
Go to bars and mingle and only occasionally have to worry about being arrested.
By the Vice Squad.
By the Vice Squad.
And for us, this is kind of a trip because, of course, we start our walking tours here at Grand Central Market.
Yeah.
And in October, we're going to be starting our walking tour called The Run, about the history of gay downtown.
We'll have to start on this side of the market.
We will definitely start under this really cool banner, which I hope still looks as bright and shiny as it does today. But even if it doesn't, a little funk is okay, because that's what The Run's all about.
Morris Kite says hello, and everyone please remember Howard Eflin.
I remember Howard Eflin. Yeah, thank you, Richard.
Okay, so...
Yeah, no, that's it. I'm going to just zoom in on this cool thing. And it's fabulous proximity to the Broadway building. And, you know, I really like it when the city says the history of things that Angelenos did matters. So the history of the bars in this neighborhood, the cultural connections that were made, you know, it's a nice use of civic resources. I like it. It's a beautiful banner. I believe that may be an SC Marrow design. So shout out to SC and all the people keeping LA history alive. And Cowboy, even though this isn't The Run, with you around it always is. So I'm going to send you off in that direction. Will you walk under that banner just, you know, and we'll think about John Reschi and Morris Kite and all our friends still around and those departed. Shout out to Fred Halstead and all of our friends. Chris Isherwood. Old LA. I love it. Gotta catch that cowboy. Maybe he'll wait on the corner by the drugstore. You know where this story goes. Thanks all.